Excuse me, um, is this the entrance for international flights?
Yes, this is the right entrance. Are you traveling today?
Yes, I am flying to London. It is my first time flying alone, so I am a little nervous.
Oh, do not worry at all. You will be fine. Do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, I do. Here they are.
Great. You can go straight to the check-in counter. It is just over there.
Oh, thank you. I always get confused in airports.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. May I see your passport?
Good morning. Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, this one big suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure. Oh, I hope it is not overweight.
Let me check. You are fine. It is within the limit.
Oh, thank God.
Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please. I like seeing the clouds.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you so much.
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 8:15.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Gate B12, boarding at 8:15.
Got it. Thank you.
Ma'am, please put your laptop and phone in a separate tray.
Oh, okay. Everything except my passport, right?
Yes, you can keep your passport with you. And please remove your belt and watch.
Belt also? Oh, okay, sure.
Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh no! Why is it beeping?
Do not worry. Maybe it is your keys.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Let me put them in the tray.
Perfect. Try again. You are good to go.
Thank you. Airports stress me out.
It happens to everyone.
Excuse me, can you tell me where gate B12 is?
Yes, just walk straight and then turn left. You will see the sign.
Straight and then left?
Yes, it is about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you so much. Hi, is this gate B12?
Yes, it is. Are you flying to London?
Yes. Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything is on schedule.
Good. I was worried because of the weather.
Do not worry. The weather looks fine now.
Great. Thank you.
Good evening. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please follow the line and board through the front door.
Okay, is this the right time? I am always scared of boarding late.
You are perfectly on time.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome aboard. Your seat is 21A.
21A. Is that on the left?
Yes, left side by the window.
Perfect. I love window seats.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Like this?
Yes, pull it tight. Great.
When do we take off?
in about 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, can I ask something? Of course, ma'am. How can I help? I have never flown long distance. What if I feel sick? Do not worry. We have water, medicine, and sick bags, and I am here to help you. Oh, thank you. I feel better now. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you again.
No, it is okay. Tell me.
Is there vegetarian food?
Yes, we have a vegetarian option. Would you like that?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London. Local time is 2:45 p.m.
Wow, finally.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Tourism. Just a short trip.
How many days?
7 days.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in central London.
Okay, enjoy your trip.
Thank you.